Hey, it's Jason with Intricate Coatings here at a little different project today. It's clear coating a pool deck and around the pool edges and coping. So what we do here is obviously clean it, power wash it, get rid of paint splatters, residues, cut in all the edges, and then roll the main surface. This is one coat with some slip resistance added so that it's not slippery. Check out how it's done. Hey, it's Jason checking in. I just want to show you the difference between a non-sealed versus sealed. And of course, this is my high gloss clear coat that I use in garages. You get about 2-3 years out of this. Maintenance coats required.